Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys having a great day. In this video I'm gonna walk through how can you transfer voice memos from iPhone to computer. So guys, there are 2 or 3 ways that you can transfer voice memos from iPhone to computer. The first way is through mail. So guys, to share it through mail, just go to your memos that you want to share, and in the memos here you can see there is a 3 dot icon beside the memos. Click on it, and here you can see share option. Click on share. Now just select mail, and after selecting mail, here you can see it is on here attached. Now just select the recipient's mail, after selecting the recipient's mail, just click the top right this arrow icon, and by doing this you can just send these memos from iPhone to computer. Again, there is another way. Just go to your Safari or any browser, just search for snapdrop.net, and also in your computer you need to just go to your snapdrop.net, and from your iPhone you can see the snapdrop.net. From your computer you need to just click on that and attach the file, and that's how you can transfer memos from iPhone to computer. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you have found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Techavro. Thank you so much for watching the video.